That sale just got snake bit. Good morning, guys. Snake here with the
Tampa Bay Pickers.
Oh, shoot, I got to turn right here, don't I?
Yes, you do. You have to make a left, not a right.
Okay, all right. So, yeah, so last week we had some special guests, and unfortunately they did not bring their luck with them. Or maybe they did. I don't know. But either way, yard sailing, tons of yard sales out.
Nobody had anything.
Yeah, but no one had anything. So, luckily, GW came in a pinch.
Sorry for all the noise.
And it saved the weekend. So hopefully, we're out today and it's super cold. It was 39 degrees. That's like, this is like dead winter temperatures for us here.
And tomorrow it'll be 80. So,
yeah, tomorrow will be 80. No, by the end of the day it'll be 80.
It'll be 70.
Yeah.
I'm wearing 3 layers. I'm wearing 2 jackets and 1 shirt.
And a long sleeve shirt. And
That's
she's
because
still
my daughter's
cold.
so skinny.
And I'm still cold.
Anyway.
I think there's a sign here.
Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to drive at the same
And
time.
the sun is like in our faces. Yeah.
It's right here. To the
Yeah.
left or right? Probably the
I
left.
think it's to the left.
Okay, so let's cut this intro. So what was I saying? So anyway, yeah, let's hope that today is much better. It's super cold out, but hopefully that doesn't stop anybody from putting their sales out today, because a lot of us
Go straight.
here in Florida like the cold, to be honest. It's nice. It's a nice break from
It's a
the
nice
heat.
change.
Yeah. So anyway, wish us luck. We'll see you guys at the first one. He just almost got hit by a car. All right. What do we have here? What are those, floaties? It's some kind of exercise body thing. Level up. Oh, you need this?
I don't know, I was just thinking about
It's
it.
just for games.
I know.
You can put it on top of something
Something and put the games
and
in
stack
it.
games on it.
Probably should grab it.
Moana, look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
It's mine.
You know what those are. You know what those are, girl.
Exactly what it is.
Spirit animals.
Look, look, look.
Yeah, we're copping that if it's the price is right. Look,
Oh, Lily would like that. Oh, yeah.
spirit animals looks pretty cool too.
Doesn't say how many there are. Yeah, she'll like those too.
Well, it depends how much they are.
Yeah. So the DS there.
DS, yeah.
Hello.
How much is the DS?
We want 70
70.
with
Oh,
the games as well.
okay.
There's 4 games with it.
It's all
There's
this.
one automatically on it already downloaded.
Gotcha. Okay.
Well, it's Tilco 65.
How much is just the game? This one?
That and this, he says $2.
$2. All right.
Double check. He already said it. He said those games.
Thank you. You too.
All right. How much are books?
50 cents.
And then this guy here, 50 cents, and that
$1.
$1. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Good.
Yep.
Anything else, babe? Are you good? All right. Would you hang on to this, please? Along with the rest of your stuff.
No,
No, we're good. We're right here. We're just... Yeah. 3, 4, 5.
thank you.
I would just sell it for $1.
$1?
You want it?
Yes, please.
I thought I just asked her that, didn't I? Here. What is that thing?
I don't know. I've never seen it before. But that I need.
Oh.
One of the things he has me
You need this
doing-
right here? the sun's out here. So
Feels good.
does it?
The sun does. The clothes is for sale? The clothes? $1.
That's where the strings go.
I know, it doesn't have them now.
Oh,
So it's not.
is that an issue?
Yeah. Because the elastic's not 100% in there.
All right. Thank you.
What gave you that, it was all in storage. I bought double when I moved overseas. My husband was military, so I've got double everything. Don't need it all. Thank you.
I was just thinking, your husband's daughter. Biography, Eleanor Roosevelt, Susan B. Anthony, Milton Hershey, Neil Armstrong, the Wright brothers, and Christopher Columbus.
How much are they?
I don't know. How much are the books?
25 cents each.
Well, there you go.
For that price. She really likes learning about people and history.
It's good.
I know, I love that she enjoys
Great, Madison. Anybody help us? Yes. I got to do it.
We gotta go that way.
What do you mean we gotta go that way? All right, guys, so we are home and we are really not ready to show you our pathetic haul. But I don't want to go another weekend or another week without giving you guys a video, so unfortunately...
He's running out of ways to make excuses.
Yeah, there was no excuse. Well, I was going to say there's no excuse, but I never make
to
excuses.
Make the excuse,
so...
make it different.
Yeah,
like a
it's
different
just-
excuse.
Anyway, we're not gonna ramble too much about it. We'll just show you what we got, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
I'm still laughing. Okay, so we picked up pretty much just a DVD rack, game rack.
Yeah, it's a
whatever you
game
want.
rack. It's a level up game rack.
You can only put them in one side, right? Like they go in. This is.
They go long ways, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, anyways, just because with our collection of DVDs, our collection of video games, we needed more. Like we need more space.
Yeah, we need to find ways to create space. So this is one way to do it. Put it on top of the shelf, and you can hold what looks to be like maybe 25, 30 games.
Yeah.
Something like that. So
It definitely needs a good cleaning.
yeah, it needs a good cleaning. But yeah, so that's for us. What did we pay for that again? I think $1 or $2.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. All right.
All right. I don't remember where all this stuff went, but we only paid $1 for these.
Yeah.
That I remember. And these are some Nike Pro Combat
Football.
padded
Yep.
football
those
shorts.
Football shorts.
These typically sell for us pretty good.
Yeah,
About
they sell
$20 to
fast, too.
$25.
Give or
So I
take.
might toss these in the wash, but we'll see.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's those.
This might be the only thing we purchased for the business as
No.
well. No? There's 2? Oh, yeah. I forgot this little thing.
We stopped at a rummage sale that benefited some 6th graders at a school. And this was one of the things we found there. And this particular tape recorder, from what I found on Comparables, sells for about $20. So Snake's going to have to check it and make sure that it works. But, I mean, it's got
Yeah.
a nice battery compartment, very clean. So,
And that was what, $2?
no, I think it was $1.
Okay. Well, it was
It was
a
either
buck or
$1 or
two.
$2. The buttons all seem to be in working order, except for the record, and I think that's because there has to be a tape in it in order for it to work.
I'm going to be honest with you guys. This is the result of having a desperate Saturday, because though there's money here, I might have not have picked this up normally, but there's still a couple bucks there.
Yes.
The question is how long we're going to sit on that. You know.
You never know. So we did pick up some Disney artwork because, you know, we're fans of Disney. And so we got a Cinderella picture here. It needs to be cleaned, but one of the best scenes from Cinderella, in my opinion, which is getting ready for the ball.
And that's going to go probably in our game room, because our game room happens to be oddly themed with Disney and zombie and game paraphernalia and it's all over the place.
It's all over the place. We're kind of all over the place, though. We also found some Moana ones, too, which our daughter was very excited about. So just to kind of give you a little preview, we got this one.
Now these are Disney official content, you know.
Like clips from the movies. We got this one.
Okay, that's awesome.
The artwork is amazing on these. There's this one.
Uh-huh.
Yep. And the last one is this one.
Yep, very nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are for us as well.
And every time we see them, we kind of pick them up just because they're so cool.
Very cool.
We also, at that same rummage sale, picked up just some picture frames for us here. They were nice picture frames. They're 8x10s with the matted 5x7 in them, so very nice frames.
Yeah, these are the good frames here. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 2 like that, and then I was able to also get 2 like this, which again, very nice frames.
Mm-hmm.
So picked up those. They were only $1 a piece.
Yeah.
Okay. So from there.
Is that everything?
No.
Oh, still more. Nice.
Yeah, so we picked up some books for our daughter. She really likes learning about history, so we got her some history books here. Stories about actual, obviously, people. So
those are for her?
Yeah, and then we got her a superhero one, obviously, because we love Wonder Woman. And then Snake saw these and thought about her, the Animal Spirit book, so we'll have to see. It's book 1 and book 2. I think there's more.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
So
yeah, so
books
bought
for
those.
Princess Snake because she likes to read.
Yeah.
This is it.
This is it now?
This is it.
Man.
So we did find a few video games. We found Final Fantasy 7. Official guide book with it. So and the game, and we only paid $2 for that.
Yeah.
I don't know if Snake even opened it.
I did
to
open
see.
it. And I checked. Yep. Yep, they're in there.
They're supposed
Wait,
to be.
let's read this too.
Right
you go.
there.
Yep. So, and this, oh man.
I don't think
know.
we played this one.
No,
I
but
haven't. You might have.
we'll end up probably keeping that for our collection, I think.
Probably.
Even though,
the official game guide's not in the best of shape, but I
no,
guess
I don't
it's
need the game
old,
guide
too.
anyway. I mean, we could probably use it. If we ever play it, we'll have to see.
I'm telling you right now, I'll probably play it. It looks pretty cool.
You ain't gonna play no video game.
You're probably right.
Alright,
But
well, you might.
I
We'll
might.
see.
I liked Final Fantasy.
Alright.
And then we also picked up, this case needs some cleaning, but Shrek's Carnival Craze for the Wii for the kids. And this Luxor game, just because it was about ancient Egypt and it looked pretty cool. I thought the kids might like it. Never heard of them. So
Yeah, there you go.
they were $1 a piece also.
That's it right there. I don't even think we broke a 20.
I
don't think so. I don't think we broke $20 here. So all this, I mean, I guess to look on the bright side, I mean, $20 got us this, less than $20. So that's actually pretty good, right?
Yeah, that is.
But in terms of resale and, finding a lot of things for the business, not so much. But we did find stuff, mostly for us. We're quite happy about that, especially that Moana right there.
That was a good score.
So yeah. I like I said earlier, I wanted to cut the video, even though it's going to be short, regardless, so that we can keep content coming out every week. Yeah, and that's it. Hopefully next week will be better. We'll keep on trucking along and stay on the hunt.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And share.
Till next time, guys.
Bye.
Get Sneak Peek.
Woo!